Hello everyone. So Schloss Bangalore, popularly known as Leela Hotels, operating in the luxury segment of hotels and palaces, has finally been listed on both the exchanges on June 2nd, 2025. The stock has been listed at a price of 406.5 on BSE, marking a discount of 6.55% from the issue price of 435, and it has been listed on NSE at the price of 406, marking a 6.77% discount from the issue price of 435. The stock debuted with a market capitalization of around 13,500 crores. Despite the low and weak start, the stock has performed with a volatile conditions as it soared nearly 7% and finally closed at the price of 435.5 today. Also, the listing price is strongly lower than the gray market estimates. The unlisted shares of the company were trading at the GMP of 2 rupees per share at around 437 ahead of the listing price. Also, the IPO was subscribed 4.5 times during May 26 to May 28, and the most interest was shown by QIBs, which booked their reserve portion nearly 7.46 times, followed by NIIs, which reserved their portion nearly 1.02 times. But the portion that was reserved for the retail investors was undersubscribed, and it was booked only 83%. Leela Hotels listed at an almost 6.6% discount, which reflects subdued investor sentiment despite strong institutional interest. Retail and non-institutional participation remained weak. A flat grey market premium ahead of the listing had already signaled muted near-term expectations. The suggestion would be that the investors who see long-term potential in India's luxury hotel industry should be holding this IPO. Thank you.